Hi, I'm Keifer. I work at Pipe Wrench and I'm in the lead install position. My fiance brought me down here because she's in vet school, and I applied through Indeed and I had an interview, and they just seemed like a really family first friendly company. I used to do back home in Pennsylvania, I used to do HVAC install and service. I'd even do plumbing sometimes. I like installing, taking out old equipment and installing new equipment and making it look better than it did before. And also just really like talking to customers and hearing their stories and getting knowledge from them as well. So I recently got engaged. I also love the outdoors. I fish, I hunt. I love lifting weights. I go to the gym all the time. I recently picked up jiu-jitsu, so that's cool. But yeah, I got lots of hobbies. I'm a busybody.